Reuben sandwich dip. Let's make it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get us 2 pounds of sauerkraut into our bowl. Next step, you're gonna take it, and you're gonna squeeze as much juice out of it as you possibly can. Squeeze it till it makes you shake. Ugh. Then set that to the side. Then get you a sample of the juice. It's actually not bad. Add your squeezed sauerkraut back to your bowl. Now you wanna add yourself 2 blocks of cream cheese. Yeah. And you know we're gonna grab the Dano's Original. That's the green top, and hit it with a pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Now we're simply gonna go in with our hands and just give this a mix. All right, now take your sauerkraut cheese ball and throw it in your baking dish. And we'll just smooth that out. I feel like it needs another pop, pop. All right, now I got 4 of these 7-ounce containers of corned beef. All right, now we're just gonna simply dice it all up. Go back and forth a couple times till you got it nice and chopped up, just like that. And then we're just simply gonna add it in. Now you got a nice thick layer of meat, get it spread out evenly. Now it's time to make our sauce, and we're gonna start out with some pickles. A lot of pickles. Now we dice them up. I like to leave nice big chunks just like that. Add our pickles to our bowl. All right, now we're gonna add a bunch of mayonnaise. It's our main ingredient. And we're gonna use a little bit of mustard. About that much. And we're gonna need a little squeeze of ketchup. About that much. A little bit of Worcestershire. About that much. Then we're gonna give it a little bit of spice with the Dano Spicy. That's the red top. A little yum yum, get you some. Now simply just give this a mix and give it a little taste test. Oh, that's really good. And then we're gonna go right in over the top. Good spread around. And now it's time for the baby Swiss. We got 2 packs. That was 1 layer. Now we got a whole nother pack. Now we're ready to go into our 400-degree oven. All right, it's been 50 minutes at 400 degrees. Now it's time to get a bite. I'm actually gonna scoop some onto a plate. I can tell you one thing, this smells phenomenal. All right, we let it cool off for a minute. I got us a little bit of everything. So let's give it a try. That is phenomenal. That's a 10 out of 10. I'd recommend anybody do it again. But these chips, they're stale. Yum yum, get you some.